So at this point, I'm going to do a commit. Actually, let's add things. Say we finished user sign up. Let's check out the master branch. We're ready to go now. I'm going to merge sign up. And let's just rerun our test suite for paranoia's sake. Excellent. And I'm going to push up to GitHub. And I'm also going to push up to Heroku. And now I probably should have done this before. I'm going to do a rename. Heroku rename Rails tutorial. And this will now be at railstutorial.heroku.com. And let's do Heroku open. And here we go. Our sample application is running on the live web. Let's sign up as a new user. Actually, we need to clear out the database. Let's do Heroku rake db reset. You shouldn't normally do this on your, on your production server, but in this case, we know that this is what we want. And so now I'm going to say Rails tutorial. And there we go. We're live on the web with our Rails tutorial user. Welcome to the sample app. The completion of the sign-up form is a huge milestone for our application. This is the kind of functionality that any sort of website needs if it's going to have users, and yet we've seen that it's not particularly easy. It took us 3 lessons to get here. We had to create a user model, we had to make it secure, and then we had to add the sign-up form that could actually take in user information and save it to the database. But we're doing it. We actually have a live application on the web that can accept user sign-up, and that's a huge accomplishment. In the next couple lessons, we're going to build on this foundation, first by building a login and authentication framework that will let users sign in and out of the application. And then in lesson 10, we'll give users the ability to update their account information, and we'll also add page protection to enforce a security model for our application. The next 2 lessons represent the completion of the REST architecture with respect to the user's resource. All of the canonical REST actions that we've seen previously in this tutorial, especially in the demo app, will be complete for the user's resource within the next 2 lessons.